everyone, welcome to How to Use tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use OpenOffice Calc. Some of these things are just the exact same as my other video with Writer, as you can see here. Then compare that if you go to my other video with the Writer, just the exact same up here. Some things will obviously be different. This is just to create new text documents and things like that. Just the exact same if you go to my other video. I'll save you watching it again. You can export it as PDF, just the same kind of things within the bar here. Don't know what's changed for the other one. Oh yeah, this inserts new columns and rows, which hasn't got that on Writer. That's different. Most of these things will probably not be on Writer. This is like spreadsheets and things. Most of these things I can see it's already on Writer. That I don't know if that is on it. And this is obviously where your toolbar is. It's like bold, italics, underline, all the things to align it. Text size, text type, font type. This is just formats, different things to arrange it A to Z or Z to A. You probably know most of these if you've ever used Excel and things before. You just want to move on to this. That's to add new rows, delete columns. And as in the other video before as well, the Writer, this is just the exact same, except a few things have changed. I think that the base one or database one is probably the same as well. Just a few things have been changed. You get different things here, you get backgrounds, you get bullets, you get computers. That's in gallery, yeah, gallery. Quite good if you want to make things. I've been using this for quite a while to do spreadsheets. There's not really much changed, it's just kind of the same as my other video. Into hyperlinks and different things. I think there's not much to talk about, except just show you. It's quite easy, it's just a bit like Excel if you've ever used Excel before from Microsoft. I just installed OpenOffice because it wasn't really installing Microsoft for some reason. It's good to do spreadsheets and different things you can do. Save it as PDFs and things as well. You can get templates and things if you make your own template or get templates. Most of this is just the same. It'll probably just be the same as what database is, or base, and you call it database or base, and you call it 2. Not bad if you've got a business or just want to keep track of spreadsheets and things. Isn't much. You can just type and add fields and different things. This is also like function wizard. That automatically creates sums for you. That's just another function again. If you've got any questions, just put it in the comments and I'll try and answer them if I can. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.